Are you looking for the best benchtop sanders? In this video we will look at some of the best benchtop sanders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bucktool BG2600. The grinding wheel has a 60 grit surface with a face shield to protect against debris and sparks. It removes rust and paint with ease. You can also adjust the belt sander to sit flat, at 0 degrees or 90 degrees. The motor is 3.5 amps, generating 3,450 RPM, revolutions per minute, wheel speed, as well as 4,480 FPM, feet per minute, belt speed. It has fast belt tensioning and an easy tracking knob, as well as tool-free belt changing. When you are making and sharpening knives, you need a tool that caters to your chosen material. This Bucktool has a belt sander and a 6-inch grinding disc, and a brush wheel for rust removal. When you need stability, you can't get much better than a cast iron base. The added weight keeps the sander in place, making it easier to adjust your material without fearing that the sander will move. Number 2. Bucktool BD4801. This is a 2-in-1 sanding machine, thanks to the 4x36-inch sanding belt and the 8-inch grinding disc. When you are shaping, polishing, and grinding metal, nothing could be better. This sander has a direct drive motor that increases efficiency by 25%. It also generates a disc speed of 3,450 RPM and a belt speed of 2,161 FPM. The sanding belt adjusts from 90 degrees to 0 degrees, giving greater flexibility when working with metal, and the cast aluminum base and rubber feet keep the whole thing steady. Thanks to the direct drive motor, this sander is almost completely maintenance-free, making life so much easier and giving you more time to concentrate on your projects. The sanding belt is adjustable, so you can grind and smooth almost any metal shape, while the 8-inch wheel shapes and curves metal and wood to give you the best results. Direct drive motors are more efficient and require less maintenance. It makes this model almost maintenance-free, allowing you to spend less time fretting about malfunctions. Number 3. Jet 723520K JWDS-2550. Drum sanders are the ultimate big project tool. This jet model sits on a stand that measures 24 x 50 inches to increase stability. It also channels the dust and debris through the hood to a 4-inch extraction port to remove hazardous material from the workplace. The SandSmart control continuously monitors the load on the drum and changes the conveyor speed, while the variable speed control maxes out at 10 feet per minute. You can adjust the table to different angles using the toolless table parallelism dial. The aluminum drum is precision machined to reduce heat and protect your material from heat damage. The drum motors provide independent control and optimal feed, with the newly designed conveyor system pulling the material through rather than you pushing. Drum sanders are the perfect solution when you need to sand a lot of wood fast. The conveyor system pulls the workpiece through rather than pushing, speeding up the process.